Hi there, and thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to share some footage from a trip at Anclote River near Tarpon Springs. I went out fishing with a friend from work, Daniel. It was his very first time fishing and his first time catching a fish, and we managed to get into a few fish, which you'll see in the footage. We used live shrimp as bait and we were fishing an incoming tide. If you like this video and you'd like to see more similar content, then please hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and feel free to leave any comments. Thanks, and I'll see you on the water.
It was a windy and overcast day, but we were sheltered upriver, and as you can see, it was very flat. I also have a few photos at the very end of this video with the first fish that Daniel actually caught, as we didn't manage to capture it on the video.
I'm coming straight over your head then. Is that right? I'm on.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that.
Oh, he threw it. He threw the hook.
Oh.
You saw him in the water. He spat the hook straight out. And set the hook better. Did you look?
Oh no.
Oh, that was a good bite.
Wait, it's still in there.
Just when he bites hard, pull it up high. That's it. Just let go. First him. Let go. Move the line down. Tie it up. Wind up a bit. You want to really set it. Now pull it in. You got your fish is on. That's it. You're on. Ooh. It's your first redfish. Bring it in here. Oh, good job. Yeah, don't keep winding because you got the pink metal in there.
Yeah.
There we go. Bring it in over the boat.
Nice.
Just hold there.
Look at that.
Get your picture taken because he's too small to keep.
Okay. Come on, baby. It's so.
And then I'll take him off.
Okay.
There you go. Put it in the water.
See?
It's gone. Good job.
Fast in the water, aren't
They are. Good job.
they? Yeah.
Well, not slow, but like you gotta make sure the hook pulls into his mouth. But
Kind of like leverage.
yeah.
Oh, that wasn't good.
I'll bring it back in. That's it. That's right where you caught that fish just there.
Oh, there we go. What's that?
Puffer fish.
Puffer fish?
Yeah.
You caught a few of those.
Oh yeah, they're not fun.
You don't want a picture with that? No. The even sounded. It's
Yeah, just pull it over here and then bring it up with your hand because it's not that big. There you go.
Another red one?
Another redfish.
Yeah, that one's all good stuff. A bit. Can you hold it?
Can I grab it? Oops. Just carefully let him back in the water.
Come on, buddy. So slimy.
There you go, he's gone. Good catch.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
Oh, ooh.
Big fish.
Redfish. Oh, that's a pretty one.
It's a redfish.
That's a redfish.
Yeah, it's just a slightly different colour.
Oh, the blue tail.
Yeah, where's the pliers? Can you... Right, now I've got the hook. Fish on.
Same one.
Maybe.
Same guy?
I don't know, but good fishing.
There's a noticeable black spot.
Do you want me just to break them off?
They're pretty little.
Yeah, they're beautiful fish.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look, feels like a restaurant. Kind of have a... Oh, that's pretty big. No?
Yeah, it is decent size, yeah. Let me just,
He's heavy.
yeah, bring him here. But he's like way undersized.
Is that undersized?
Oh yeah, massively.
Yeah. Oh, because what happened?
See that big, see what's going to it?
Is that a fish? Oh yeah, that's a manatee.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that a manatee?
No, it's not a manatee. It's a fish,
Yeah.
because it's swimming the other way from the current. It's pretty big, whatever it is.
Yeah. It's huge.
It's just minding its own business.
Yeah.
Sheep's That's the target species.
Uh-huh.
There we are.
He's 12 inches?
I need to check if he's 12. So 35. He's 11 inches. He needs to go back.
Close.
Off the back when we get close to the box. And throw that off the box. Or I'll do it off the box. Thank you for joining in. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more content, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.